Here is a very easy way to make your day super productive. So what do? You check back, last 2 or 3 weeks on your calendar. Where are the time wasters? What are the things you did? Or if it's not on your calendar, just think about this. These are the things I did. These are the time waster. For example, if you're at the office and you have all the colleagues are saying you hi all the time, and that thing is taking you 10-15 minutes each time, or maybe some technical issue what could be easily avoidable, or maybe certain things you are doing, you don't have to do it. So just write down all the time waster, and then you do three things with this. Before even we do three things, what you do, those time wasters cannot take place on the first thing of the day, because first thing of the day in the morning you have the super energy. You have to work on your business, the business plan you have, the lead generation activities you have, all the important things for your business going to happen. Now in the afternoon after lunch, this is the three way you can divide these time wasters. Number one is eliminate. Those are the things you don't need them. Those are the things you are just doing it. For example, getting into a conversation with your coworker, maybe political conversation, you don't need it at the office, okay, because those are personal stuff. So something like that you just eliminate. Number two, you delegate. Means those are is good for your business, you need for your business, but you don't have to do it. For example, designing a postcard and it took 2 hours, you can delegate that to somebody who can do it cheaper for you, and also they're more expert than you. The thing is taking you 2 hours, they can do it in an hour. It's a cost saving for you, because you're not going to waste 2 hours in the morning time designing a postcard, something like that. And number three is schedule it for yourself. Maybe it is a time waster, but you know what, you gave somebody some word, so you have to keep that word. Do it in the afternoon time. For example, attending a closing. If you're a real estate agent, you don't have to go to all the closing. Think big. If you're having 100 200 closings, can you go there? Now you're having 24 closing a year, you say, oh, I'm so happy to go go to the closing. But think big, where you will be in 5 years from now. Can you keep up the same service? It's not. Going to all the inspections, can you afford to go to all inspection when you're a big real estate agent? You can't. So you have to think in your mind right now. So recognize those time wasters, and then list them up, and then eliminate, delegate, or number three is schedule to your less productive hours. Means in the afternoon, maybe 3-4 o'clock, there's no appointment, okay, let's do that, no problem, because you're already happy that you already took care of your business. You already worked in the morning on the lead generation, appointment setting, you already have your goal achieved until lunchtime. So this is the way you take care of that. Do not just spend your time blindly. That's not going to make you happy. That's not going to grow your business. That's not going to make you fulfilled or satisfied. Let me know, how do you think?